Hey folks, today I want to bring you the mega pack here of Freewell filters. This is for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which as you can see I have right here. And full disclosure, Freewell did send these to me in exchange for this video. Now before taking a closer look at the filters themselves, I do just want to clarify that these are going to be absolutely fine in terms of the gimbal. They have been designed as lightweight filters, and DJI themselves have designed the Pocket 3 to accommodate ND filters and filters such as these. So the mega pack has 14 filters in total, and that includes a collection of ND filters, polarizing filters, and some others as well. And as you would expect from Freewell, they do come in this nice hardy carrying protective case. In my opinion, Freewell are pretty much the go-to brand when it comes to filters for DJI's cameras. I've been using them for many years and have never had any issues. So straight away, you can see we have the standard ND filters here, and these are going to range from ND8 up to ND1000. Now, ND8 through to ND64 are probably the ones you are going to be using in your day-to-day photography and video recording. However, if you really wanted to capture some long exposure photos, then definitely the ND1000 is going to help you with that purpose. And if I just turn the case on the side there, you can see that each of these filters are labelled so that you can identify them quickly. And assuming you have no idea what these ND filters are even for, well, effectively, they will allow you to capture cinematic motion blur in your videos by reducing the amount of light that is going to be accessible to the sensor. Now, you will have to play about with the manual settings on the Pocket 3. That means taking it out of auto exposure mode and reducing the ISO and shutter speed settings. But this row of 4 filters here combine ND filters, which are these up here, with the circular polarizing filters. Now, what the polarizing filter is going to allow is for you to enhance the contrast of your images and also reduce things such as glare and also reflections. So if you are filming in heavily reflective areas, perhaps over water or near waterfalls, or even over vehicles with reflective metals, then considering using the polarizing filters may go a long way to capturing the perfect shots. If actually you are not too fussed about using the neutral density, and you just want the polarizing effect, then there is also included in this pack a polarizing filter without the neutral density filter combined with it. So that's what that one is right there. And then on the bottom row, we have these 2 interesting filters. So on the left here, we have the snow mist filter. And what this is going to do is soften any harsh light sources in your image. Effectively, it's going to make the overall image look a little bit hazier. Some would describe it as a little bit dreamy. Now, you're not going to be using this one all the time, but depending on the type of shots that you want to get and the lighting of your image or video, then definitely the snow mist filter is going to give you some interesting results. And finally, we have this LP filter, which is light pollution filter. And this is intended really for a specific purpose. And that is if you want to capture the night sky, especially from an area where there is a lot of urban light pollution. This is going to do its best to filter out a lot of that light pollution, giving you better contrast with the night sky itself, and hopefully just be able to capture better imagery. And this is going to work really well actually with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, because the low light performance of the Pocket 3 has been vastly improved over the previous Pocket 2. So that is the 14 different filters you are going to get with the mega pack. Of course, Freewell are supplying smaller packs if you don't want all of these. For example, if you just want the standard ND filters, then the all-day pack is probably going to be preferable to you because you're not going to have to spend as much for that. And you can get the snow mist filter and the light pollution filter individually as well. So folks, thank you so much for checking out the video. That has been the unboxing and overview of the Freewell Mega Limited Edition 14 pack of filters for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Thanks for watching.